Today we're looking at a Whirlpool Cabrio dryer, and the issue is our console here is just bubbled here. Everything's still working, it's just got that bubble to it, so we're going to go ahead and replace our console. But symptoms that a bad console could give you is if any of your buttons or lights do not work when pressed. That's going to be your touch panel here, or your console. To replace this console, there's going to be 2 Phillips screws in the back here that go straight down into the top of the cabinet. We'll have to remove those first. But before we do that, we're just going to unplug the unit. Alright, so 2 screws on this one. Your first generation Cabrios, or pretty much any of your Whirlpool Cabrios, the console removal is going to be pretty much the same. You might have 2 or 3 screws in the back to remove, and I guess some of the new ones might have clips on the right and left that you would use a putty knife to depress and remove them. But this one, we just remove those 2 screws and then pull it forward and lift up. And then we just have this connector that plugs into the board. We'll push back on the tab to release it and pull that out. Alright, so we got the new console here. It comes with everything. You're going to get your knob, the console itself with the user interface all together. So, get the old one out of the way here. It also comes with the new harness. Go ahead and move this back into position, reconnect our harness of the new one. Alright, so we're just going to get this back into place. We're going to get the tabs of the console into the holes of the top cabinet here. Get it all lined up, and then just reinstall our 2 Phillips screws. Now we'll plug it back in, take off this protective coating. Just going to turn it back on here and make sure everything's working properly on the new one. Alright, it's on and running. We're just going to double check that it's heating up for us. Everything's working good. That'll complete your repair.